Hey guys, are you sick and tired of dealing with soap scum on your shower doors? Well, that's what I am here with you today in my bathroom, letting you know the two things that I use to completely remove soap scum from my glass shower door and from the tiles in my shower, as well as the fiberglass on our bathtub in the other bathroom. So if you can tell behind, I hopped in the shower for a quick cleanup right before I got onto this video and left the water on my shower door. So the first thing that I use when the shower, it's preferable if you've just taken a shower or somebody's just taken a shower, because the hot water and the steam during the shower is going to really loosen the soap scum that's on your glass shower door, on your tiles, on your fiberglass, whatever type of surface you're dealing with. So it's gonna help loosen that up so that you have to use less elbow grease. And can we please say easier and faster is better? So the first thing that I do is I use a microfiber cloth that has nylon actually woven into it. Now this particular one is a knit, so I can just slip my hand in it and it's a lot faster that way. But you want to make sure that you have a product that is a combination of both microfiber and nylon. And the reason is because I used to use only microfiber and it did a great job helping remove the soap scum, but I had to use a lot more elbow grease. So if you can get one that has nylon that's woven in also, then all of a sudden it's able to cut through the soap scum a little bit easier and it goes way faster. And I will share the exact products that I use in the description below so you can check those out. But I want you to see how super fast and easy this is. This glass door, shower door, was put in 6 years ago and still looks brand new. No soap scum, no hard water. And this is all I do, okay? So you just quickly, and I start at the top, and you can see I don't spend a lot of time. I do it as fast as I can, going from top to bottom, wiping off the soap scum and really cutting into it. Now, if you find a spot that has extra soap scum that's being a little stubborn, then you can spend a little time just quickly rubbing it and scrubbing it. Then the next thing I do is I come back with a special type of microfiber that is specifically woven for cleaning glass, cleaning mirrors, things like that. Because what that type of microfiber will do is it's going to give you a streak-free dry, okay? So again, start at the top. And work your way down. And again, if you find a spot that has, like right here, I have a little bit extra soap scum, so I just do a quick little rub and that removes it off of there. And I find that the soap scum is the most stubborn and thick at the very bottom of the shower door. Okay guys, that's literally all I do to get the soap scum off and leave a streak-free shine, okay? Now, I will let you know that if I only clean our showers about, I'd like to say once a week, but it's probably more like once every other week, and it's super fast. I mean, you guys saw how fast that was. So if you can take a shower and you have your two cloths right there handy, then before you even step out of the shower, you can quickly wipe down and dry your door, removing the soap scum. You do the same thing with the tiles I only use the nylon and microfiber mitt rather than using the window cloth. I just don't find that there's a need with my shower to dry the tile. But this is it. And I quickly go around all of the tiles, rubbing it with that. And if you see the fixtures up here, I again take that mat or mitt that has the nylon, go around it, and because of the shininess of those fixtures, then I do take my other cloth that is made for windows and mirrors and polishing. And I go back, and that brings it back to its shine without having any water stains or soap scum on it. I do the same thing with our fiberglass tub. I first go through with the microfiber and nylon, and then depending on how long it's been since I've cleaned like the tub surround, if I notice that it looks like there's some hard water that has built up on there, then I'll go back and dry it to really give it that shine again. Now, if you are not cleaning your bathrooms very often, let's say it's every 3 months, or let's say you have a lot of buildup soap scum that you are just now trying to deal with. In that situation, then I do use a all-in-one bathroom cleaner. And the brand that I have found that works the best for us is Norwex. It's a blue diamond all-in-one cleaner. Now, I am a Norwex independent sales consultant, so if you're looking to buy this, or the bathroom mitt, which is Norwex, or the window cloth, which again is Norwex, if you're looking to buy those specific products, you can check out my link below or find a Norwex consultant that you know. Otherwise, just start searching and testing. Go to your store, see if you can find a microfiber and nylon. See if you can find a microfiber that is specifically for windows, mirrors, and polishing, because you really want to make sure to pay attention to the quality. And same with the bathroom cleaner, that if you can find one that doesn't have the harsh chemicals in it, it's a safer type of chemicals, test it out, see how it works and how quickly that you can clean, how easily and effective it is at removing the soap scum. But I want you to take one more quick look. 6 years, guys. This was installed 6 years ago. No soap scum at all. And I will tell you that when we first installed this, we were not using microfiber at that time. We were actually using something like this, where we would go through and we would dry it every time. We're like, oh yes, we're so good. And what we found was that it did not remove the soap scum. So my husband still uses this daily, because I don't actually shower daily, so I'm not cleaning it daily, but he wants to use this. So he'll go through and he'll dry it, and it leaves streaks and it leaves soap scum and it leaves the hard water, but it's better than nothing. So then I have to go back and then do the cleaning. But just think, guys, if every time you used a shower, you were using these two things, you would never, ever, ever need elbow grease or chemical cleaner to get that soap scum off of your shower doors, the soap scum off of your tiles, or off of your fiberglass tubs. So I hope that this has helped you. Leave a comment below and let me know what are some of your trouble spots with keeping a clean home, or little tips on tidying that you'd like to see, because I want to help make this easy for you guys. And as a mom of 4 twin boys that are still at home with me, they're not old enough to go to school, I do a lot of cleanup jobs. So I'm here to help. If you found this video helpful, please let me know by liking it, commenting, sharing it with a friend, and of course, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss another new video.